Welcome, my name is Rob Bunch, and this course is on Socket.io. If you're not familiar with Socket.io, it is a JavaScript and Node.js library that allow real-time communication between the server and the browser. It's not like Ajax. Ajax allows you to send an HTTP request to the server handles it and responds, and then the connection is terminated. Socket.io uses TCP, and once you connect, you remain connected so that if the server has something to say, it can just say it, and the browser will hear it because they're already connected and listening. If the browser has something to say, it can just say it because the server's already there and listening. This is not a quick start class. I am not going to get you up and running in Socket.io in 10 minutes or less. I love projects. They're a great way to go. But in 2013, when I started using Socket.io, it was a couple years after WebSockets, the underlying technology was standardized. Almost everything available was, hey, here's how to make an instant messenger client in 10 minutes or less using Socket.io. It was so empowering, so enabling, so exciting, and then I had no idea what to do next. These years later, everything is still just a, hey, here's how to make an instant messenger client in 10 minutes or less, and then you're left hanging. If you're just looking for a quick start class, there's a ton of great resources available elsewhere. We are going to go a bit slower. We're going to look at how the network stack actually works. We'll talk about TCP, UDP, and then a little closer how the different network layers talk to each other. What a socket actually is, how to use WebSockets, which, like I said, is the underlying technology. And then we'll move on to Socket.io. We'll make a couple cool projects, one of which will be an instant messenger client, along with a few other things. The world just isn't okay with non-real-time data anymore. It's just not enough. Whether it's big data being passed around however means, or whether it's a video game and it's online inside the browser, or it's just related to a video game, or WebRTC and you're doing video conferencing because it's supported in every major browser now, real-time data is what people expect. So you've got to update your code and update your applications. I invite you to at least check out the first few free videos and get a taste for what it's like to make your applications real-time.